And today sure didn't feel like winter flu season with the weather.
No, not at all. We hit the 80s this afternoon, and
amazing.
all the wind and the fire weather out to the west. It's been kind of a crazy weather day across central Texas. We actually have a picture in from one of our viewers in Mason County. Sent this in of smoke just as the sun was setting. Now, Mason County had a wildfire last night that they were able to get under control, but over West Texas, that was not the case. Near Midland, 2 wildfires. One has the city of Barnhart on notice for evacuation. They're waiting to see just how fast that wildfire will continue to move. And the other one is between Colorado City and Lorain along I-20. Now, of course, if you ever get a picture like this, you can send it to us. Report it at KXAN.com. It's a really great thing for us to see here in the Weather Center. Wind advisory in effect for our area continues through the overnight hours. It's actually now been extended until 6 a.m. and includes most of our hill country counties, including Mason, Llano, Burnett, Blanco, Gillespie, and San Saba, for winds up to about 30 miles an hour as this cold front moves through. And we'll see gusts up to 40 miles an hour possible. So again, very breezy conditions expected overnight. Once that front moves through, those winds will begin to die down again. Satellite radar shows here's the system we're watching. An area of low pressure over the Panhandle. Cold front stretching back over West Texas. One of the reasons why their winds have not dropped below 20 miles an hour all day long. But we've seen the dry line is actually a little bit closer to our area. So this line of thunderstorm activity actually is a tornado watch for southern Oklahoma, northern Texas. That's not going to be a problem in our area, but we could see a few showers developing along that line. Even now, some of them just to the east of Lampasas County stretching. These will continue to move east as this whole system does overnight tonight. So let's go hour by hour through your forecast. Overnight, that front moves a little bit closer. Before the sun comes up, again, we could see some of that spotty shower activity, maybe a rumble of thunder to our north and east as that front moves through. But once it does, before the sun even comes up tomorrow morning, we'll see winds take on a more northwesterly flow, and it's also going to stay pretty breezy. Winds overnight pick up between about 10-20 miles an hour and stay breezy through much of the day tomorrow as well as our skies clear. We'll see mostly sunny skies, but temperatures, again, a little bit cooler with that northerly flow behind the front. Into your Tuesday, the winds finally die down. Skies stay clear, however, and temperatures are going to be really pretty through the afternoon hours. Right now, we're sitting at 72 degrees at Camp Mabry, mostly clear skies there. 72 out of ABIA as well. Winds are lighter here, only around 10 miles an hour out of the south, but again, a bit breezier as you move your way west. Temperatures across the area still in the low 70s in portions of the hill country. 70 in Llano, 70 in Georgetown. Low 70s all the way through our eastern counties, and it's 72 right now in Bastrop. Tonight, temperatures behind the front are going to drop pretty rapidly, especially if we see any clearing right before the sun comes up. Temperatures falling into the upper 40s in the hill country, low 50s expected in the metro area and along our eastern counties. For tomorrow, we'll see temperatures topping out in the low 70s in the hill country, low to mid 70s for the rest of it. It's actually going to feel pretty pleasant out there. Tonight, 52 degrees. Winds taking on a northerly flow behind that front. Now, again, we could see some of that spotty shower activity, mainly to our north and east as that front moves through. Most of us, though, should stay dry. By tomorrow, we clear out. It's going to stay breezy, 74 degrees. And again, for your 7-day forecast, things look pretty nice. Temperatures are going to be coolest Tuesday morning. By the afternoon, 70s. 70s all the way through your Thursday, when we a little bit warmer there, but we start to see our moisture return by then, and that will give us a chance for rain as our next system rolls through next weekend.